Wow, check this place out, guys. It's Wednesday, July the 16th. We're on the outskirts of Albufeira and we've come to check out São Rafael Beach, so come and join me. So I've just climbed to the top of the rocks that separates São Rafael Beach, which is on the other side of the rocks. Now I didn't know this existed till I just came here now, so we've got restaurant Sardinha's there with a lovely little cove. Another little cove there. Got people on speedboats ready to crack on there. And I've just actually found out you can actually walk from Albufeira Marina right the way along the rocks here, all the way to São Rafael Beach and further beyond. Let's check it out. So I've got a great little viewing point here, but I've got to be careful because I have only got flip-flops on and it's not really flip-flop terrain. Tour boat in the background going somewhere there. Look at that beautiful rock formation. I will get a bit closer. So I'm directly in between the two coves. Check that out, guys. São Rafael Beach. Looks absolutely stunning. They've also got a nice beach bar there. So we'll take the hike back up and back down and we'll go and check that beach out. Come and join me, guys. Well, there's another lovely view of the little beach and cove that we don't know the name of. So any of you guys that are familiar with this area, drop the name in the comments below, please. Absolutely stunning. Now we've just spoke to a guy that's done this walk along the cliffs. And I think from Albufeira to here, it's took him an hour and a half. It is a bit rough, the terrain. And it's a little bit dodgy for me as well, walking in the cliffs with flip-flops. So I'll pause it till I get near Rafael Beach. Some beautiful scenery in between the cliffs. Yeah, I can zoom right in between there. Wow. There's a paddle boarders in the background. Just walking down the steps towards the car park. So there's a car park in the background, and there is a couple of stalls there. There's one selling tours, and actually one showing cliff jumping. I wouldn't mind doing that. Let's go and see what the prices are. This is a car park. You have got to get early to get this place. We've got the cave tours, kayak, cliff jumping, kayak rentals 15 an hour, guided tours €35 for 2 hours. I nearly went in with these flip-flops. Well, there's the view before we start our descent. Plenty of people on the beach, plenty of people in the sea. We've got another boat tour in the background there. Let's see how steep this walkway is down to the beach. Doesn't look too bad at the moment. It's not too bad at all because you have actually got stairs right in the middle. So if you don't trust them cobbles, you can walk down the steps, which I'm going to do. Then this leads you straight onto Beach Bar Rafael, which looks pretty full at the moment. Well, it's not pretty full, it's very full. So I reckon me and Sue could do a food review on that. And I know you're wondering where she is. She's not been with us for a while, but she will be returning next week. And we're just checking out some places to do some food reviews. If you've got any that you'd like us to do, then just drop a message in the comments below. But this looks a beautiful place. The sand is very, very hot. Ooh. So I've took a walk to the far end of the beach. And there's little caves that you can cut through. People actually swimming there. Beautiful yacht passing. And check these out, guys, these cliffs. Oh, that was nice on my feet. The water cooled me down there. But yeah, that looks great for a dip. So guys, I have had a few negative comments when I've been filming Albufeira. This still comes under Albufeira. Everyone said, oh, I wouldn't go there. Looks like Blackpool. Well, I ain't never seen Blackpool look like this. This place is beautiful. Try and get the jet skis on there. I still haven't rented one of those out since the day I got here. I'd have to go on my own because Sue don't like them. Yeah, loads of people there cooling off in the sea. Very tempted myself. We'll check the other end out where they're renting the kayaks. So this is where they rent the kayaks out. No, there's only one out at the minute. Let's check the prices. Stand-up paddles, €15. Kayaks, €15, that's for an hour. Two-man kayak, €30 for an hour. Two and a kid, didn't know they did such a thing. €35 an hour. Oh, they do kayak caves tour, €35. That's 2 hours. That's per person, that 35. I'm going to make my way back to that restaurant, see if I can get any prices for you guys. My hands are dripping in sweat at the moment. It's about 30 degrees. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning. After walking on the beach, it feels way more than that. Up to the guy that rents the sun lounges out. €20 for a full day, 15 for half a day. That includes the umbrellas as well. That's not a bad price. Hopefully I can have a look at the menu. Well, the restaurant's cordoned off, but if you do come and dine here, this will be your view. If you've liked this little walking tour of São Rafael Beach, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, guys, smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.